Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show how to recover deleted Facebook stories or restore deleted Facebook stories. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps. So don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So in this step, you can see my Facebook account and then right top corner 3 button option, click on it and then scroll down and then choose and open settings and privacy and then settings, click here and then scroll down and then open download your information. So click here, download profile information in account center and then continue and then request a download, click here, select accounts and profiles. In this you can choose your Facebook accounts and your Facebook profiles and then next click here, available information or specific types of information. You can choose specific types of information. So click here and then scroll down and then see more, click on it and then scroll down and in this area you can see stories. So you can choose stories. So click here and then next click on it and then open data range. You can see data range last week, last month, last 3 months, last 6 months, last year, last 3 years, all time. You can choose your need option, but I can choose last year option and then save, click here and then submit request, click on it. Pending download is specific information and then wait few minutes or wait few hours and then go to my and then you can see notification. So click here and in this time you can see the files you requested are ready to download and then open it and then scroll down and then available downloads and then download, click here. For your security, please re-enter your password to continue and then continue and then choose Google Chrome and then open and then open WPS compression and then your activity across Facebook, click here and then stories and then open and in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted Facebook stories. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.